Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring the best olive oils of 2023. We'll be reviewing different brands, flavors, and special features to help you find the perfect olive oil for your needs. So, whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just looking for a healthy addition to your diet, stay tuned for our top picks. Let's get started. At number 1 is Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a premium quality product that is expertly crafted by the olive oil people. Made from first cold-pressed olives that are grown and nurtured by the family of farmers, this olive oil has a smooth, delicate taste that is perfect for sautéing and stir-frying. Certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, Pompeian Smooth EVU is naturally gluten-free and non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified by the Non-GMO Project. With a net content volume of 48 fluid ounces, this imported extra virgin olive oil is an ideal choice for anyone who values quality and authenticity in their food. At number 2 is Amazon Fresh Mediterranean Blend Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Amazon Fresh Mediterranean Blend Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a versatile and everyday olive oil that is perfect for cooking and finishing dishes. Made from a blend of olive sourced from growers in the Mediterranean region, this olive oil has a buttery, mild flavor that is sure to enhance any dish. It is cold extracted and bottled in Italy, ensuring the highest quality and freshness. With a net content volume of 2 liters, this olive oil is a great value for anyone who loves to cook. If you are not satisfied with the product, Amazon offers a satisfaction guarantee, and you can get a refund for any reason within a year of purchase. At number 3 is Partana Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Partana Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a premium product that offers an exceptional flavor profile. Thanks to its 100% no Solara del Blissa olives from Sicily, Italy. This award-winning olive oil has a rich taste that includes notes of artichoke, almonds, and a peppery finish, making it perfect for cooking, dipping, and finishing. The olives are manually harvested and cold-pressed within hours of picking, ensuring that the oil carries the flavor of the land as well as the history of Sicily. With a dark-coated steel can keep it fresh, Partana Extra Virgin Olive Oil is also rich in antioxidants and naturally produced phenols that promote vascular health and physical well-being. At number 4 is Calavita Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Calavita's Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a delicious and healthy choice for everyday cooking. Imported from Italy and certified by the North American Olive Oil Association. This 68 fluid ounce bottle contains 2,011 milliliters of high-quality olive oil. The flavor profile is well balanced between fruit and spice, making it a versatile ingredient in any dish. Sourced from new harvest olives and made using traditional Calavita family methods, this olive oil is a premium product. Additionally, it is a great option for those looking to reduce their cholesterol levels. Overall, Calavita's olive oil is a must-have in any kitchen. At number 5 is Filippo Barrio Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Filippo Barrio Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a premium quality product made from the finest olives that are cold-pressed to preserve their natural goodness. This 101.4 fluid ounces tin contains 3 liters of delicious and fragrant oil that has a rich, well-balanced taste with subtle notes of olive. The unique tin features a pop-up pour spout for precise pouring and easy drizzling, making it perfect for use in salads, sauces, gravies, and marinades. This oil is also naturally free from cholesterol, trans fat, gluten, GMOs, sugar, and sodium, making it a healthy addition to your diet. The unique tin packaging helps keep out light and air, preserving the flavor of your oil for longer. Overall, Filippo Barrio Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a must-have in any kitchen for its premium quality and versatility.